Nice. Some very old ST40-2s in there. Probably a loaded oil train, this one. It's headed from Alberta. Here I'm at the Dorval ramps, and it's February 4th, 2020, and in the sunshine on this nice winter's day. Perfect for filming trains. Very warm, maybe 3 degrees above zero. And it's about, I'd say 2:45 p.m. This one was a very nice surprise. I have to say, it's very strange in this day and age to still see that action red CP rail locomotive with the Pac-Man. Very cool. Just don't expect to see that these days. Oh, those are cool. I love those diamond ones. Net or something like that. Very cool insignia. And there's the hopper car that's usually the buffer car on the other end. Well, it doesn't look like anything else is coming. So I'm going to end the video. Thanks for watching, and if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.